to Kuya Elo po.
2%.
Thank you sa walang sawang pagsuporta. Ikaw ang tumulong sa akin para mas mabus pa ang aming confidence. Kahit na po makulit at straightforward ka. Minsan ko bumanat. Sobrang salamat din po sa iyo. You're one of the reasons why I am here standing in front of you. At nakakapagsalita ng ganito po sa ganito maraming tao po. I hope na hindi ka magsawa magbigay ng mga advices and helping to boost more my confidence. I really appreciated all the efforts at mga pagtitiga mo para sa akin. I don't know how to express it, but I know you can see it through my eyes. But what I wanted to say, until now I could not believe that these things really happened. Sino mag-aakala na yung dating pinapanood ko lang ay makakaharap at makakasama ko na pala. And most of it, we are here to give smile and good vibes to those people, especially sa mga OFW na mostly nagmamahal at susuporta sa atin. I'm not expecting to that my crush will become my meeting learning.
Sana, grabe.
Talaga may Mr. Pag-umilos na. Like before, you didn't understand that I exist, but look. Now you will understand me. Isipin ko, I'm always safe in our journey as a Kalingap Love Teams. You're one of those blessings I got. Dahil sa iyo, bukod kay Kuya Rob, binagyo po kami ng blessings na never ko in-expect. Alam ko kung marami na ang galing niya sino nakilala niyo noon. Sabihan sino nasa harapan niyo ngayon. At kung ano po ang nakita niyo sa ngayon, it's because of you.